You can also use that with the extension rod. You can use it on your bed, on the sofa, and smaller areas where the floor brush is too big to fit. You can also attach the dusting brush, and you can use the extension rod to reach higher areas within your house. And of course the crevice tool, and I love that you can also use it with the extension rod because sometimes you want to reach a spot that is hard to reach. And then with the simple push of a button, you can remove the extension rod and put all the same attachments right onto the handheld vacuum. And then again, this is perfect to use on top of maybe your countertops and even inside your car. All right, let's do a little test run. I have tried this vacuum on hardwood floors, on carpet, on my couch, my bed, and my car, and it has performed amazingly in all different surface areas. I am also amazed and loving how low profile this vacuum can get. As you can see, this bed is very low on the ground, and I can still push almost the entire vacuum underneath this bed. And